Welcome to today's lesson. My name is Miss Bella. In today's lesson, we will be learning about fractions. Do you know what fractions are? Fractions are simply a part of a whole. For example, if you have a cookie that you've not bitten out of, that is a whole cookie because it is still complete. However, when you take a bite out of that cookie, you've taken a fraction out of that cookie. Remember, fractions are a part of a whole. When you take a bite out of your cookie, you've taken a bite out of a whole cookie, and that is a fraction. Also, when you have a box of pizza, the pizza comes as a whole. But when you begin to take slices for yourself and your friends, you're taking out parts of the pizza, and those parts are called fractions. For example, over here I have a whole tower. But if I take this tower apart into two, I've taken it out into fractions. Remember, I had a whole tower, and when I take out of it, I've taken out a fraction of the tower. Now, just like your pizza has several slices, you can cut a hole or split a hole into different fractions. But right now we are going to look at to split a hole into two parts. Now when you split a hole into two parts, you have what is called a half. You have a half. From a whole, when you split it into two, you have a half. Remember, a whole is when you have something complete, but when you split it into two, you have a half. That means two halves make a whole. Just like when you're trying to share an apple or a piece of cake between two people, you cut it into two. When you cut a whole into two, it gives you two halves. Remember, a fraction is a part of a whole. And when you cut a whole into two parts, it gives you two halves. That's it for today, everyone. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.